Hi guys, so you're hungry, the kids are screaming for an apple pie, but you can't light the oven. Frustrating, I know. I'm going to show you how to light it right now. Okay guys, so this is the offending item that you may be having trouble with. It's an Attwood from Dometic, fairly standard within most RVs these days, and it has the fold over top and the 3-ring cooktop. These are very easy to light. You'll see the 3 rings here, and you turn it to LTE. No, that's not your mobile phone network, this is short for light, and then you turn the sparker and it ignites. Sometimes you have to turn it a couple of times to get it to light, but it's fairly straightforward. However, the oven, that's a different story. The oven, you do not use the sparker. You need a separate flame, and we have to get down and light the pilot light before we do anything. So we'll talk you through that now. So you have to get down here, right down in the bottom of the oven, and get the lighter going. And at the same time, you have to hold the button on top to light the pilot. You can now see the pilot is lit while you're still holding the button in, and give it maybe 15 seconds or so, and then you can release the button and make sure the pilot light stays on. If the pilot light stays on, you're safe to now turn the knob to the desired temperature, and you'll see the flame light up the oven. Okay, I hope that was helpful. If so, give us a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe for more RV know-how.